What's up, guys? All right, a little market recap here for Tuesday, July 16th, 2024. Um, Not very exciting of a day. I didn't really have any exciting action. I churned out on, let's see here, a whole bunch of names. Oh, yeah, KOSS was a nice loss. Aon was just like a really annoying stock. But let's see if we can pull up the video and do a little recap on this breakout thing I botched on KOSS. I just held too long. Mm. All right. So first off, the open silo taking a poopy. Yeah. Aeon. Aeon was a difficult one. Um, I wasn't really focused on it. I don't think. It was one of those days where I wasn't sure where to focus. I remember that. And it kept getting batted down here off of the 2.9 level. And Silo looked like it might want to run, but I don't know. Hmm. Anyways, this takes off. I'm looking at it. It just yeah. Let's see how I do with this breakout here. Yeah. So not the best. Didn't lose money, but I think I was I was just late on it. It was kind of as it was getting to like 91, 92. That would have been the entry there at 95, maybe getting filled at 96, 97. I might have cut right there, but back in right there. And then cutting right there. That might have been a good mix. I don't know. It ends up going nicely up here. Maybe like when I was surprised how I had to jump, I should have been buying right there. Right after I cut. Yeah. Anyways, let's fast forward to this other thing on KOSS. Make this a short video. LPA. Well, some practice trades on that type of name. All right, now KOSS. KOSS, my good friend KOSS. So already it's tagging the highs, but there's two things here. One, this 5-minute candle, it's not impossible for these to get past, but it tends to have a little bit more resistance than just going straight up. If it does end up getting it, especially if it's retraced this far. Sometimes when it has this candle right here, and then it builds kind of like in the second candle, like after the candle, in that same direction, it can like pop above and like have a very powerful explosion. But in this sort of situation, it hasn't really pivoted high too much, and now it's attacking 11, and it hasn't really closed above the 11 on the 1 minute or on the 5 minute. And I'm taking a couple of trades here. I think I got a couple good ones earlier. Well, I think, what did I get? Let's just watch it and see what happens. A little late. But that's okay. And cut it for break even. Right back in. Cut again for break even. I could have. Held. Look, he's looking good on the chart. I had to be comfortable holding there. And then I'm green here for second, okay? And then I cut it for basically break even too. And I think I'm starting to get irritated. Well, no. I'm happy I'm getting good fills on the exits. Good fills on the entry. Even though it is only break even. But like, look here, I mean, it already rejected off this level kind of twice. And now it looks like it's rejecting again. I'm taking this kind of reversal like here, and I'm green for a second. And it starts pushing, but then it just like, I needed to cut right there. That was exactly where I needed to cut. Okay, so let's practice this. I'm in, click. Okay. And then it comes back. Okay. And right there. Holding, 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 holding. Cut. Okay. One more time. Let's practice that one more time. It's coming down. Buy. So that entry is okay. Cut. One more time. Buy. Cut. Okay. But anyways, I didn't. And then this is what I end up doing. It goes all the way down to 40. I'm just like, R. And I end up cutting what it seems to be like the lows for the minute. And then it starts kind of creeping up again. At the same time, LPA over here was falling apart, and I didn't want to get caught in a hot down, so I was okay with cutting that. Yeah, it ends up kind of going back up a little bit, which is fine. But you know, it was a volatile situation. It wasn't the best setup. Um, those generally require pretty nimble footwork getting in and out of the nib, and what about all that was notable? Super tired. That's all about all that was notable today. And keep this short. In fact, let's just scroll through this, see if there's anything interesting here. Honestly, it's where I made my most money was on BRPX. It was a recent continuation. Not a great setup, but nothing else was going on. And I was like, okay, I think traders might, pile into this because there's nothing else going on. Like, not even a whole bunch did, but enough did to where I was able to make a little money. and I didn't want to play Aeon anymore because I just kept losing money on it, and LPA I missed. It's okay, shot. And then Silo, I was just churning my wheels and then losing money on it. I think I had one good trade and then a couple break evens and then like one bad trade or one losing trade. It was an okay trade. I think I got like 3 to 4 cents of slippage on this, and I'm just like, how am I getting 3 to 4 cents of slippage on this stock? Oh, I hate it when the spreads are so tight and then I still get slippage. No me gustas. Okay, well, that's it for the day. Peace, guys. Catch you tomorrow.